Good afternoon, students. Very good afternoon. Kinematics class is going on. In that kinematics, from differentiation and integration from that part, how to deal with kinematics completed. Now, students, after entering into kinematics, first part that is one-dimensional kinematics. That is our body or a particle moving only in a particular only one dimension, whatever maybe that is, maybe x-axis or y-axis, whatever, but only one direction. That is one dimensional kinematics. One dimensional kinematics. But in that dimension, maybe forward or even backward also, but one dimension. So in that one dimension kinematics, particle acceleration may be uniform or may not be uniform. But students, uniform acceleration means acceleration both in magnitude and direction constant. Non-uniform acceleration during the journey, that is the motion, acceleration is not constant. But now present, uniform accelerated motion is the topic. In that uniform accelerated motion, equations of motion, these are 5 equations in the last class we derived, and later these all 5 equations, remember, based on these 5 equations, how to solve different problems now today's class. But before entering into that, these 5 equations one time: v equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus half at square, s equal to u plus v by 2 into t, and sn equal to u plus a by 2 2n minus 1, and v square minus u square equal to 2as. Students, these all 5 equations, how to apply to solve the problems, today main our focus. So first here problem I will explain. You also simultaneously think which formula now suitable. Then later I will explain. And some problems need 2 or more than 2 formulae also. Right. But before entering into this kinematics problems, students, even though it is one dimension, but directions 2 are there. Dimension 1, but directions 2. One is positive direction, another is negative direction. But which is positive, which is negative, that is our now coordinate system. That is our choice. Suppose along one line, body motion is there. Maybe towards the left or maybe towards the right, you can take positive. That is your choice. But once positive, negative identified, yes, meanwhile, that is solving the problem, don't change the coordinate system. This is the first point. Second point, velocity and acceleration. Not only magnitudes, directions also you need to consider. And remember another point, velocity and acceleration. Suppose both are in the same direction, body never stop, continuously will move. Suppose velocity is opposite to acceleration, then definitely body will stop, then later take opposite journey, that is opposite direction. So that's why in every problem, along the line, which side positive, which side negative, you need to decide before solving the problem. That is the first point. But from my side, one small now trick. Yes, anyway you can take either positive or that is your choice. But in that initial velocity direction, if you take positive, problem is simple. Initial velocity direction, take positive. Whatever may be that initial velocity. Suppose initial velocity not there. Then take acceleration direction is a positive. Okay? Yes, first priority initial velocity. Suppose some problems initial velocity may not be there. Then go to acceleration. So acceleration direction take positive, then solve the problem. Suppose initial velocity there, initial velocity direction itself is positive. You can take opposite also, but if you take initial velocity positive, problem that solution become very simple. Okay, so now problems started. I will give complete information on the board. Yes, once problem explanation over, some small time I will give. You check the out of these 5 which is suitable, then we will proceed. Students, from your side interaction also more mandatory and useful to you also. That's why simply just only ideally don't sit. Participate and be more attentive and take that initiation and give the exact numbers, then we'll solve one by one. Ready? Yes. Just wait, students. Some values I will write. Any some values. Yes, so students, here one particle that is moving along this line. Let it be x-axis. This line is x-axis. That particle is moving with 2 meters per second. This is initial velocity, 2 meters per second. So this side 2 meters per second. That's why you take this direction as a positive. So right now at t equal to 0, that is, students, t equal to 0 means, t equal to 0 means not body started, no, our observation started. Our observation started. So at t equal to 0, particle velocity, this direction, this is particle velocity. And students, this particle is moving under the acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square. Acceleration 0.1 meter per second square means acceleration. This is initial velocity, this is acceleration also. Both are same direction. So same direction means never come to the rest. Never come to the rest. Now at t equal to 0 started. The question is after how much time? This is the time question mark. Particle is at 15 meter distance away. Means from here to here 15 meter distance away. After how long? That means time we need. Will our particle is 15 meter distance from original point. This point I am taking A. This point is B. B is at 15 meters from the A. Yes, so students, now think. Our target is a time. This is the given information. Yes, which equation? Yes, many students now giving. equation number 2. Right. Equation number 2, s equal to ut plus half at square. S is nothing but students 15 and u is nothing but 2 t target half a is 0.1 and t square. Students, quadratic equation you will get. So if you solve the quadratic equation, then you will get the time. Just wait. 15 equal to, all are positive direction only. S equal to ut, that is 2t plus a by 2. A is 0.1. So 0.1 divided by 2 into t square. So now you can simplify this. 0.1 by 2. Yes, 1 by 20 you can write. 1 by 20. 20 into 15. 300. 20 into 2. 40t plus t square. Students, t square plus 40t minus 300 equal to 0. Now quadratic equation. Yes, a solution we know, t equal to minus b, that is minus 40 plus or minus root over b square, that is 40 whole square, 4 16, 1600 minus 4ac, 4a1 and c, 300, 4 into 3, that is 12 minus 1200 divided by 2. 1600 plus 1200, 2800. So square root of 2800 plus or minus 40, that is minus, divided by 2. Yes, so students, minus 40 plus or minus root 2800 by 2. Yes, here don't take minus because already minus, if you take minus, time becomes negative. But time now, when our observation starts, that is t equal to 0. That means from t equal to 0 to positive side, our target. That's why minus 40 plus root over 2800 by 2 is our answer. This is students time calculation. Yes, you all now correctly guessed that equation number 2 is the right answer. Okay, right now. Similarly, same now. I'm just changing. Yes, now think. U equal to 2 meter per second, t equal to 0. That is at point number A. Okay. But here this body is moving under the influence of a retardation. Students, not acceleration, retardation means acceleration is opposite to velocity. Suppose acceleration is opposite. Opposite means negative side. So A equal to minus 0.1 meter per second square. That is nothing but A is opposite. Now the problem is, at what time body is at a 15 meter distance from the initial location. 15 meter distance from the initial location. This is the problem. Yes, again students, excellent second equation, because again displacement given and velocity, initial velocity given, acceleration given, time is the target. Right. But here some small logic. Acceleration is opposite to initial velocity, but initial velocity direction is a positive direction, right? That's why this side positive, acceleration negative. That's why A minus you need to consider. Again same equation. Yes, S is nothing but a displacement. That displacement is a 15. equal to 2t plus half at square, but a is a minus. That's why students here minus. So then here minus. Then here minus. Then you can write t square minus 40t plus 300 is a 0. Now this solution t equal to minus 40, no, this is a plus 40 because already minus 40 is there. Yes, plus or minus root over b square, yes, 1600 minus 4ac, students here minus 1600 minus 1200, that is 400. Yes, root over 400, students, is a 20. 40 plus 20, that is one answer. 40 minus 20, another answer. So students, here two answers. This is the previous problem, now not required. Yes, 40 plus 20 minus 20. 20 by 2, 10 seconds. 40 plus 20, 60 by 2, 30 seconds. Yes, now time is 10 seconds and 30 seconds, both are answer. Yes, one student now 10 or 30, 10 or 30 now. And that means both times. At 10th second and also 30th second. Because already I told you, velocity, acceleration, both are opposite. That means body not only going forward and then after come to the rest, take return journey also. So that's why from here to here 15, after solving this problem, first to 10 seconds. What is the meaning of 10 seconds? Here suppose t equal to 0, moving, t equal to 10 seconds and still it is going somewhere, taking return journey and again coming. Now the time t equal to 30 seconds. This is 10 seconds. At t equal to 10th second, body is at B, but velocity is this direction. At t equal to 30th second also, body is at B, but velocity opposite direction. Now students, here, examiner one more problem also. At the point number B, that is at 15 meters from the A, this side. Within how many seconds reached the point B? Because at t equal to 10 second, body at point B. At t equal to 30 means from here to here. What is the time interval? 20 seconds. So before 20 seconds, body was moving this side. After 20 seconds, this side. That means from here to here and then here to here, 20 seconds is the answer. So by using the equation 2, you can solve the problem like that. But carefully observe now my all sentences, and later again I will ask one more question. At t equal to 0, body crosses the point number A. This side crosses the point number A with the speed 2 meters per second. Crosses. Moving under the influence of retardation. That is 0.1. Retardation means opposite to velocity, negative acceleration. 0.1 meter per second square. Then find the times. Find the times at which body is at a distance of 15 meter. At a distance of 15 meter from the position A. Now answers required. Students think again the problem. Find the times at which body is at 15 meter from the point number A. This is the question. Same question. But examiner asked for the times. So students, how many answers? 1, 2 or 3, 4. How many answers? Yes, some students told 2. Any other students please? 4 answers. Yes, 2. Yes, many students opted the 2 times. But now see, you only at t equal to 0 here started. Okay. Now moving at t equal to 10th second one time and going and again coming. T equal to 30 seconds another time, and after that moving this side and going here. Students, here to here also 15 meter possible, right? So here to here also 15 meter possible. Then now moving. Any again now stopping possible. So this side moving means now no any stopping. Why no stopping? Because once now here journey stopped and started backward journey. In the backward journey, acceleration already there, velocity also there. That's why continuously moving backward. Once velocity, acceleration, same direction, body never stop. That's why, yes, some students told 3 times. Yes, 3 times is the right answer. But some students told 4 times. 4 times wrong. Because once now here went, then again, suppose if again body comes to here, then 4 times possible. But here not coming. Simply once after reaching the A, then going away only. But this third time how to calculate? Third time how to calculate means very simple logic. Instead of plus 15, take minus 15. That's why. Because A to this side, left side 15 meters. That's why take minus 15. Yes, remaining as it is again. 2t. This is same equation. Just here minus 15 take that sum. Remaining ut plus half a this everything same. Just here minus. Then after solving, then you will get other than 10 and 30. Other answer you will get. That another answer is here. But after taking here minus 15, 10 and 30 you won't get. You will get again 2 times, but that is one negative time you will get. One negative time, one positive time, but negative time is not acceptable. That's why only one positive time. So if you take plus 10 and 30 you got, but both acceptable because both positive times. If you take minus, after solving this equation, one negative time, one positive time you will get, but negative not acceptable, only positive. So total 3 times, already 10, 30. Yes, after taking minus, one more time. Yes, the students now, yes, more actively involved. Now I am removing this, going to next one more problem. Okay, just wait. Yes, so students, again, yes, along this line body is moving at t equal to 0. Our body is at point number O and moving with velocity 4 meter per second right side. This is the velocity. And the examiner given acceleration, that is minus 2 meter per second square. Students, retardation opposite to velocity. So acceleration backward, velocity right side, acceleration backward. This is a 4, this is 2. Now t equal to 0, that is body, our observation starts. Velocity given, acceleration at different times, students. Velocity time equal to 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second. So indirectly any time, any sometime, instant time. First, velocity at different times. Next to displacement at different times. Next to distance traveled in these times. Yes, students, first instantaneous velocity, how to calculate? Equation number instantaneous velocity, because actually you should involve, otherwise no use. Instantaneous velocity directly, yes, students, now after equation number 1, very good. Because in the equation number 1, v equal to u plus at, v, our target, instantaneous velocity. U already given as a 4, A already given minus 2, time different times. Okay, so now I am starting. This is a t equal to 0, student, t equal to 0 over t equal to 1 second. You please tell me the velocity fastly after calculation, because I'll simple calculation. V equal to equation u plus at, u, that is a 4. A is minus 2, t is a 1, 4 minus 2, 2. Then next one, t equal to 2 seconds, velocity. T equal to 3 seconds, velocity. T equal to 4 seconds, velocity. Students, don't simply sit and solve and know this. You please fill this gap. T equal to 2 seconds. V equal to u plus at, 2 into 2, 4, this is 0. Next to t equal to 3, 3 into 2, 6, minus 2. And 4, 4 into 2, 8, 4 minus 8 minus 4. Yes, students, 2, 0, minus 2, 4, minus 4, very good. So this is a different times instantaneous velocities over. Now, displacements also required. Displacement, the symbol here I am using as displacement from t equal to 0 to t equal to 1, t equal to 0 to t equal to 2, t equal to 0 to t equal to 3, t equal to 0 to t equal to 4. Because displacement means time interval required. Position means time required. Displacement means time interval. Interval in the sense starting from t equal to 0 only. Yes, students, please choose the equation to find the displacement. Equation number, yes, 2, excellent. Equation number 2, s equal to ut plus half at square. Yes, already u we know, times here given 1, 2, 3, 4. Half a is minus 2, but minus also you should use. Then t square. Okay, now started. Yes, you also calculate. Here I also simplifying. Ut plus half at square. A is minus 2, 2 to cancel. That is minus 1 t square. U 4. 4 into 1. 4. So this is a 4 minus t square. That is 1. 4 minus 1, 3. First displacement is 3. Second displacement u into t, that is a 4 into 2, 8 minus t square, that is a 4. 8 minus 4, nothing but 4. Next to t equal to 3 ut, 4 into 3, 12. 12 minus and t square, that is 3 square 9. 12 minus 9, that is 3. S equal to 4. 4 into 4, 16. Minus 4 square, again 16. So 16 to 16, that is a 0. Yes, so students, displacements 3, 4, again 3 and 3. Students, displacement different, distance different. Displacement means only final position minus initial position. Yes, final minus initial, that is displacement. But distance is different. Next our topic is distance. Yes, now, yes, here one student. Yes, second equation would be, yes, that only now we used. Second equation only here we used. Right. S equal to this all displacements. Displacement final position minus initial position. Plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 and 0. Indirectly at t equal to 4th second. At 3 t equal to 4th second, again body is at point number O. At point number O. So now analysis required, students. At which time velocity is 0? Second. That means body moving here at t equal to second, 2 seconds. Point number A. Velocity 0 means rest. So point number A is the last point. So body moving from here like this, come to the rest. Next, at what second? Second. Later, return journey started. Return journey. Yes, after t equal to 4 seconds, again body is at point number O. Suppose students, I am taking next to t equal to 6 seconds, suppose. T equal to 6. Then velocity equal to v, t equal to 6, yes, substitute u plus at, u already 4 minus a 2, 6 into 2, that is 12, minus 12 plus 4 minus 8. So students, minus 8 velocity, displacement also I am calculating, t equal to 6, ut, that is 6 into 4, 24 minus 6 square, that is 36. 36, 24 minus 36, 24 minus 36, that is minus 12. Students, try to understand the meaning of minus 12. Minus 12 means from the initial position left side. Suppose this is point number B at t equal to 6th second, and here to here distance is a 12 meters. That's why left side, negative side, because it is positive, you have taken initial velocity direction positive. That's why this is positive, this is negative. This is origin. This is minus 12, meaning students, minus 12 meaning displacement is a minus 12. This is a displacement calculation over. Now come to same problem, distance calculation. Distance, L equal to question mark. Distance means analysis required, but displacement means that equation sufficient. S equal to ut plus half a square, okay. But distance, not that simple equation. You can't get the distance from that simple equation. Right, students, distance is nothing but a length of path. Suppose I need t equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds. T equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds distance I need, suppose. Yes, t equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds, only one direction moving, students. That's why here to here, this length already we know, that is 4 meter. So that's why t equal to 0 to t equal to 2, distance is a 4 meters. But of course displacement also 4 meters. Why both same? Because still body moving in the same direction only, not taking any return journey. Not taking return journey means displacement distance both are the same. Taking return journey only, displacement different, distance different. Suppose at t equal to 4 seconds, t equal to 0 to t equal to 4 seconds, what is the displacement, what is the distance? Students, t equal to 0 to t equal to 4, displacement is a 0. Displacement is a 0. But distance is not 0. Distance how much? From here to here, 4 meters, and again from here to here, 4 meters. Distance is a 8 meters. Distance is a 8 meters. But displacement is 0, but distance is 8 meters. Again students, from t equal to 0 to t equal to 6 seconds. What is the displacement? Displacement is a minus 12. Displacement is a minus 12. But what is the distance? Distance is 0 to 2 seconds, that is 4 meters. And again here to here 4 meters. And again here to here 12 meters. Total, yes, 4 plus 4 plus 12, that is 20 meters. This is not length of the path. Distance never be negative. Displacement negative possible, but distance never be negative. Okay? Right. This is distances at different times also completed. Okay? Right. Distance, displacement, velocity, all completed. Students, one more question to you. Yes. Now the question is, carefully now listen, then give the correct answer. Now the question is, same problem. Displacement traveled by this same particle in second to second. Second to second. Displacement required second to second. First tell me which equation suitable. Second to second. Yes, equation number 4. Very good. Second to second. Equation number 4. Substitute the second to second. Yes, come on. Second. U 4 plus A minus 2. Minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. 2 into 2, because second to second. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 3, yes, many students told yes, 1 meter, correct answer. But now tell me this answer. Displacement covered by the particle in second second and third second. Second second and third second displacement traveled required students. displacement, Rohit Verma displacement, second and third second, displacement, yes, displacement, second and third second, second and third second, second and third second, yes. Many students provided 0. Yes, 0 is the right answer because second, previously students solved 1 meter. That is only second. Third second, again 1 meter. Means here to here and here to here. Students, displacement is nothing but initial position to final position. So that's why second and third second combined I asked, not just third second. Some students given -1 correct, that is only third second. But I am asking second plus third second combinedly. That's why 0 is the right answer. Okay. Now students, same question. Second and third second, total distance how much, tell me? Total distance. Second and third second combinedly. Yes, some students giving 2 meters. Yes, 2 meters is the right answer because it is a distance. That's why 1 and again 1. 1 and again 1. So now 2 meters is the right answer. That's why distance never be negative, students. Distance may be 0 but not negative. 0 means same place only, not moving at all. But negative no. But displacement negative positive. Distance not negative because displacement has direction also. Okay. So this is the problem related to 1. So I am closing this like this now. Many problems. So here many problems involved already. That's why it is not the just a simple one problem. By using this, I am just now calculating how to use those equations to solve the problem.